More daily movement may lower cancer deaths. Greater amount of physical activity during the day are associated with lower risks of dying from cancer. The study showed this result involved about 8,000 people, average age 70, who did not have a cancer diagnosis. Each wore an accelerometer on the hip during waking hours for a week to collect movement data. At the 5-year follow-up, the researchers found an association between lower daily activity and a greater risk of dying from cancer. Overall, the more people move during the day, the lower their risk. In fact, the most sedentary individuals, who were inactive an average of 11 hours out of a 16-hour day, had an 82% higher risk of cancer death compared with the least sedentary people. This study did not track specific types of movement, like the number of steps or particular exercises. Still, the researchers suggested that adding at least 30 minutes of any kind of activity throughout the day might help counter the potential danger from too much sitting. This channel is made to help you know your body better. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you won't miss any videos in the future about your body.